Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. And surprisingly, we're back. We're back with SUI, another update. It's almost a daily update because I've been covering SUI daily for the last couple of days. But it was needed. I mean, all of a sudden yesterday, which we talked about the possibility of potentially breaking above 0.58 cents again. Excuse me, just got a little bit of an alert. We talked about that possibility, but I said yesterday that the chance was like 10%. And there is, it looks like that 10% might actually work out. So what we talked about yesterday is if SUI could actually, after getting a lot of bearish momentum, if SUI could actually break back above this resistance level between or around 58 cents. It's technically right now between 58 cents and a 200 EMA. And that's very, very close right now. SUI hasn't been able to do so with the last two candles. And it also looks like this second candle will not close above that. But still, we need to talk about the possibilities, all right? Because it is a realistic possibility, definitely with SUI being manipulated, that we break above that. So then we'll talk about what the different scenarios are after that. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium training group in which if I take a trade on SUI, I will definitely mention it there and I will send it there with my entry, take profit, stop loss, everything like that. So if you are interested in that and if you want to become a better trader, consider joining via the links down in the description, or you can just head over to cilinix.com and there you can find more information on how to join. But for now, on to SUI. So like I said, I mean, SUI looks manipulated. If you take a look at the volume, you can see a lot is coming from UpBit. Usually if a lot of volume is coming from UpBit, that's manipulation, all right? So what does manipulation mean? Not too much, just that it can go both ways, all right? Basically that it's relatively uncorrelated to Bitcoin. So right now as well, we can actually get that bullish breakout even though Bitcoin is weak. That's the main takeaway. So what we're seeing from SUI right now is bullish momentum. I mean, you can see that there's some sort of bullish momentum / an uptrend forming right here, but there's also a lot of bearish, there's a lot of resistance, not really bearish pressure, but there's a lot of resistance right here, especially around the 200 EMA, which we broke above on Wednesday. But then after breaking down below that, that actually caused quite a big dump. So you could see the structure as something like this, right? So some sort of a triangle. I know, very, very, very weird drawn right here, but still, the most important level in my eyes is 59 cents. And that is where the 200 EMA is. So what we'll see in the next like 24/36 hours, basically this weekend, is whether we can get that bullish breakout or not. Because usually what happens when a crypto behaves like this is that a breakout like this, which is pretty close at this point in time, does need to happen fairly soon. All right, so if for some reason SUI is able to close above 59 cents on the 4-hour time frame, SUI is bullish again. We might find some resistance at 61.5 cents, but the main price target then would be 65 cents. All right, so this, I would really say it's 50-50 at this point of time. I still think it's a little bit more likely that the resistance will hold up and that will drop down below 58 cents again, which would cause more bearish momentum, probably down towards 52 and 50 cents. So these are the two scenarios at this point of time. Because it's manipulated, both of these scenarios are realistic and you should take them into account. But like I said, if we don't get something like this quick, or if you see the volume dropping down drastically, like under 150 million, while it's at 190 million right now, then it becomes more and more likely that this will be the most likely scenario. All right, so that's my analysis and my take on SUI. I think this is everything you need to know, but if you do have any questions, then let me know. And for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.